Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. First up, a beautiful blonde mid-length haircut. And then it looks like we have more of that undercut look for this next one. Beautiful design in the back. So then we have more of that lob haircut style. And this is kind of like a layered lob, very pretty and modern. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have a classic bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Followed by another bob haircut transformation. So it looks like the stylist is doing more like a mini bob for this one. And I love the very bold pink color that she has. Absolutely stunning. And then we have this really cute curly shaggy cut. Alright you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.